Understanding Stand on Shaky Legs. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, stand on shaky legs. This phrase is packed with meaning and can be quite useful in various contexts. Stick with us to explore its significance and how you can use it to enhance your English communication. Let's get started. The phrase, stand on shaky legs, metaphorically describes a situation or condition that is unstable or uncertain. Imagine literally standing on legs that are shaking. It would be difficult to maintain your balance, right? Similarly, when something stands on shaky legs, it means that it's not on firm footing and might collapse or fail at any moment. Let's see how this phrase can be used in real-life situations. In personal challenges, after his long illness, he was finally able to stand up, albeit on shaky legs. In business, the new startup was standing on shaky legs, with uncertain funding and a volatile market. In relationships, their reconciliation stood on shaky legs, given the trust issues that hadn't been fully resolved. Using stand on shaky legs in your speech or writing can add depth to your narrative. Here are a few tips. Emphasize uncertainty. Use it when you want to highlight the instability or uncertainty of a situation. Create visual imagery. It's a vivid metaphor that helps listeners or readers visualize the instability being described. Express concern or caution. It can serve as a way to express concern or caution about the viability or future success of something. While stand on shaky legs is widely understood in English-speaking cultures, similar phrases exist in other languages, reflecting the universal nature of the concept of instability. Understanding the context in which it's used can help avoid misinterpretation and enhance communication across different cultural backgrounds. We hope this exploration of stand on shaky legs has been enlightening and adds a valuable expression to your English language toolkit. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and pictures those words can create. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.